Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I have created this classy and brown eyes and red lips kind of a look. It's very edgy kind of look. So base I have already done, so now I'm showing the contouring part. I have taken the Maybelline contour stick and Maybelline contour stick to contour my face and my nose. So you can see by seeing it that how I have contoured. And after contouring, what I do is baking. So in order to bake, I have taken the powder from Stay Corgi. It's a setting powder, and I'll be baking my face to give edges to the cheekbone and the jawline. So yes, keeping that powder here only on my face, I'm doing my lips because I need to give time to the face to bake. And now I have taken two lip liners from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Both are very good. And I am taking the lipstick. It is a matte lipstick from Blue Heaven. It's a beautiful red color. And yes, that's it. Now I'm dusting it because my face is already done. Now I'll be doing my eyes, and I have taken three colors here. The neutral shade, brown and golden shade. So first I have applied the neutral brown, and then after that I'll be applying my the champagne shade under the brow bone. Then I'll be defining my eyebrows because my eyebrows are not plucked. So I'm taking brown and black together to define my brows. And then I'm taking the glittery golden shade and putting it on the middle of the eyelid with my finger, you can see. And now I'll be giving some volume to my eyelashes because it's very important to use the mascara, and I have used the very popular mascara from Maybelline. And now I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal for lining my upper eyelid. Then I have used the brown eyeshadow to complete my look. So I'm done. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe.